Always a tradition to do the poser mode on the power line. Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's day 2 out here at Boys for Tots 2025. It's a Sunday. There's a lot less people here than yesterday. We got a new buddy. We got our Wrangler buddy. We are currently climbing the power line. There's some rock bouncers out here too. I saw like 6, 7 of them come through. So hopefully we can catch those guys because they're always entertaining to watch. Other than that, we'll see what the day holds for us. Protein with my coffee today. Ew. should turn around and pull them the other way. Yeah. We found the rock bouncers and we went up top here to see if we could, you know, be entertained and watch some of those guys hit some big hills, but the first one broke. So they're down here, they're down at the bottom of the hill trying to fix it right now. So we're just gonna keep tooling around.
Catch them later, probably.
Catch them later. We're busting out Old Faithful here. We've been down this road before. If you're new to the channel, you don't know. If you've seen us before use this hatchet, it's because these wheels are front wheel drive van wheels. Yeah, they don't like the rocks. So we got a leaker. Little hammer action. Have to get some rock rings on this thing. So if you're watching this and you guys make rock rings, you can be a sponsor on our next video. Or if you have a CNC machine or a plasma cutter and you want to make some rock rings for us, we'll give you a shout out too. Well, we fixed it. It's good enough for now. We should probably put some more air in it, but man, that's a future problem. We brought some burritos with us, so and we're gonna do some cooking with our engine and some burritos. Our cameraman is also our lunch man. What's today's menu? Breakfast burritos. What are they? Reds, breakfast. Ooh, turkey. We're being healthy. And we'll put these on the engine bay. We'll have ourselves some burritos. Here we go. The YJ is our first oven. Our second oven will be the ZJ. Oh yeah, those are gonna cook real nice right there, lunch man. that guy, he's stuck in the hole. Okay, we got the burritos cooking. Lunch man, he's got his timer going. Burritos will be done in 19 minutes. Well, that was entertaining, watching that rock bouncer try to hit up that gnarly wall. Yeah, I'm out of breath. These hills are hard to justify. It's probably easier driving up them than trying to walk up them. Jeez. I don't think that guy in that rock bouncer is gonna back down because he chucked the belt. He had no power steering, so we'll go on and see the other guys. Let's go see if those burritos are done. Oh, it's burrito 30! It's the moment of truth. Are the burritos cooked? Are they good? Are they hot?
No.
They are not. Well, the oven in the ZJ is a bust after 30 minutes. Now we are testing the YJ. Is that burrito done? Dun dun dun! Still hard.
No, it's soft.
Oh, it's soft?
Yeah.
Oh.
Gabe, I'll let you do the honor.
Oh.
You're the burritos mister.
Come on. Lunch man. Are they complete? Oh, another cold one. The cold in the inside?
Mm-hmm.
One more.
Yeah. Hold it.
Well, that's a creative way to change a tire. Just throw an old toe strap on the roof of your beat up Ranger and pull to its side and switch out the tire. Playing in the water. It's been another 30 minutes. We're back here at camp. Super windy, but let's see if those burritos are done. Split it in half right away, see if it's cold in the middle. Yeah, burritos! Dang, that's good. Burrito. Yeah, burritos! That's a wrap on this video. We made it out of the woods. We're back home. And my little guy can have his skeleton back. There you go, buddy. As always, thanks for watching, and until next time.